Bees are active, guys. Look at Alpina's adder. OMG, it's enormous. Allah, he wants to drink milk, Lakota. Beus? Hello guys, good morning. Today is 1st April 2024 and it is Easter Monday here in Spain. I mean in Catalonia. Normally they celebrate the Easter, guys, and they celebrate, and the godparents, they give cake to their godchildren, guys. That is today's celebration, but we are not going to do that today because my husband is not okay, so we're going to celebrate it next weekend. Yes, and in today's video, guys, I want to prepare my vegetable garden, which is I'm going to go back to the first garden because you know what, we have a problem, guys, with our animals. We cannot control them. As you can see, they eat everything. They eat everything, guys. Not only the grass. They have very good amount of grass, so green, so lush. But the thing is, they also eat my vegetables. They jump. You saw in the previous video. The sheep, yes, they don't jump, but they eat everything they can find as well, guys. They eat fruit trees, the leaves of our fruit trees, the bark of our fruit trees. So I am tired of this, and I told my husband we're going to start my vegetable garden again at the back of our house, and maybe we will continue also the one that I have. Yes, but we will put the fence properly, and I think we will put the fence higher so our goats can't jump in. Yes, guys, but I want to start my vegetable garden behind now because the weather is better, nicer, and also it is time for us to start the garden, and I don't want to be late. That is why, guys. Okay, guys, so the figs started to have the leaves already, all of them, so it's getting nicer and beautiful in the garden. Our fruit trees, I mean, guys. Grapes. Bees are active, guys. Look at this baby sheep. This baby sheep is not baby anymore. As you can tell that she is grown a lot, guys. And the other baby sheep, Lakota and the baby goat, are playing together. Playing together. And the mom is there as well. Look, Lakota is playing with the baby. Oh, they are so cute. Look at this mulberry tree, guys. It's enormous. And the leaves are out, and some fruits as well are out. Look. Look at Alpina's udder. OMG, it's enormous. Poor her, maybe that is so painful. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. It's enormous. And the baby goat, look at that, so cute. The baby goat is male, guys. Poor Alpina, my gosh. She has enormous udder. I see. So the kids are playing with the baby goat, guys. Very good, Lakota. Oh. Go and drink milk to your mom. Allah, he wants to drink milk, Lakota. Beus? Que baji ala seba mama. No? Go to your mom. Chocolate.
Mom.
Your mom is there. Go.
Go. Go. Go, 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 go.
Butterfly, guys. First butterfly. This white. Kapupi. Look at the almond trees, guys. There are leaves of our almond trees already. Para, stop moving, Lakota. So the baby is drinking milk, but so little. Petita y prima. Sí. Y prima, ¿no? Hello guys, so we are now at the back of our house, and look the difference, guys, of this side and the other side where our goats are. So this is where I am standing. This is the view. And if you remember, I had all my vegetable garden this side, and to the other side, can you see? So the place where the goats are now, guys, look, it's deserted. it's deserted already, or not already, but yeah, it's deserted. And we took out all the blocks. If you remember that we had the raised bed that side and until here. Yes, and look the difference after 2 months, where our goats are and here. Look, and they killed this one, guys, but we are so happy because we found out that it's alive. Yay! Look, it's alive. It has these leaves and in here as well. So thank God they didn't kill this sauco, or sauco in Spanish or in Catalan, and in English it's called elderberry. Is alive, guys. Yeah, so grateful because elderberry is very nice, guys. It has very good benefits, the elderberry fruit. You can make a syrup and it's good for cough and all that stuff. And also I want to show you, and if you remember that we have this grape, and this grape is the black one and it's called, yeah, so it died. What a pity, huh? And this one was very nice and very good, guys. These goats ate everything. And look, it is so wild in here already. Can you see the difference between this side and the other side? Look, so these are the hollow blocks, guys, that we took out from the raised beds. We use to cover this. And our hens are free range, so they can come here and they can go there. Yes, guys, and the plan is to put the hens to the side of the goats, so all the vegetables that I will plant, the hens or the chickens and eat all the vegetables. If not, there is no sense. At least in here, if I can plant here, we have the fence in there where my husband is. It's all fenced and no one can enter here except us. Yes, neither goats and hens or chicken. Yeah, that is why, guys, my husband and I, we recuperated this side, huh, Daddy? So we are so happy. Yes, Daddy, we are so happy that we recuperated this side of the garden, guys. Yeah. Hi, Joby. Alright, guys, so the fence, this fence is quite big, so the hens can just pass in this hole. No, or else you cannot take out your head again. And the hens, they can just enter, guys, into the hole. Yeah, and then they can go here and then they can go to their coop. But because we are going to cover this with a chicken wire, so they will stay here, and I'm sure they are going to have lots of food because we have lots of insect now that it's warm, huh, Daddy?
They will clean the insect of the manure.
They will clean the insects of the manure of the goats. That way we will have less mosquitoes. No, not yeah, we will have less mosquitoes and less housefly as well. Guys, do you remember that we had 2 plum trees here? And luckily I have small trees, guys, that I will replace. So we're going to plant in here as well. So this is the view, guys. This is the look of this side. Okay, and I want to document because I want to see the transformation of this side. And if you remember that we had lots of artichokes this side before, yeah, and now no more as well. We can plant those, guys. Hello guys, the weather change. Look, rain is coming. Look, it's impressive, right? Rain is coming. Look, so many birds, guys, in the sky. This is what I cleaned, guys, near this fence.